Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Making a profit of 10 crore with a capital of 1 lakh requires careful planning and strategic decisions. While there is no guaranteed formula, here are some general steps that can increase your chances. Identify a lucrative business, research industries with high growth potential and profitability. Look for areas where you can leverage your skills, knowledge, and experience. Develop a solid business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, products, services, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Consider seeking advice from professionals or consultants. Seek investors, partners. With a limited capital of 1 lakh, you may need additional funding. Approach potential investors and venture capitalists or secure partnerships to bring in more capital. Focus on high-margin products, services. Choose products or services that offer high profit margins to maximize returns. Conduct market research to understand customer demand and identify potentially profitable niches. Implement effective marketing strategies. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to reach your target audience efficiently. Utilize online and offline channels, social media, SEO, and content marketing to increase brand visibility and attract customers. Streamline operations. Optimize your business processes to reduce expenses and improve efficiency. Cut unnecessary costs, negotiate with suppliers for better deals, and implement technology to automate and streamline operations. Diversify income sources. Explore opportunities to generate additional revenue streams related to your primary business. For instance, if you have a successful product, consider offering add-ons, complementary services, or licensing opportunities. Monitor financials closely. Regularly track your financials to stay on top of your expenses, revenue, and profit margins. Implement effective accounting practices and adjust strategies to achieve your profit targets. It's important to remember that making a profit of 10 crores with a capital of 1 lakh involves significant risks and challenges. It requires entrepreneurial skills, market knowledge, perseverance, and a bit of luck. Success would depend on several factors, such as timing, market conditions, and the execution of your strategies.